Greetings from Manhattan Beach in ever beautiful Brooklyn. I love New York. Here is a rather quiet look of Manhattan Beach, which is interesting because Manhattan Beach is not located on Manhattan Island. It is located in the borough of Brooklyn. And this is right across from Sheepshead Bay. If we were to continue walking down in this direction, we'd be at the very active area of Coney Island by the F and the D train. This is Oriental Boulevard. And just for juxtaposition to show you how quiet this area is after the beaches close, this is an evening walk in July, the peak season to be at Manhattan Beach. And to get here, you would take the B1 bus. The actual closest subway, though, would be the B or the Q train to Sheepshead Bay. Many people would know this area from their studies, Kingsborough College in that direction. And I'm going to make a right over on Ocean Avenue and cross the bridge over to Emmons Avenue. Till next time, from ever beautiful Manhattan Beach, Brooklyn, New York, happy summer. From the quieter side of Brooklyn,